to week 3 of Rock the Block. Yes, it's a brand new week on the block, which means you'll be competing in a brand new space.
We haven't won yet, but we've got this.
Week 3 is ours.
This week, you guys will rock the last space on the first level, the main bedroom and bath. The judges later this week are 2 more members of the Rock the Block family, including the only 2-time competitor and winner of 3 Rock the Block spaces, including the kitchen and main bedroom suites. Windy City Rehab's Alison Victoria.
Woo!
And she is, woo, she is special. And joining her is a real estate broker as well as house flipper extraordinaire from HGTV's new series, Fix My Flip, Paige Turner.
Paige and Alison are both unbelievably good designers, and it is a little intimidating to have them judge us.
So bring your A game this week. The winner gets $3,000 to spend in week 4.
We need some money, seriously.
So teams, let's rock it!
We're going to go way over the top for the bathroom. Framing has been a challenge. There's a lot of angles, it's circular, but I feel like so far we're doing okay there. How's the drywall curves going?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it really is.
So back home in Detroit, we probably spend $2,000 to $4,000 on a bathroom. So this one's gonna be probably about 10 times that.
Nobody's got the curves. I cannot imagine anybody else having come up with all these curves. It is a big risk for us to pour this much money into a single space. I feel like Alison is definitely gonna appreciate the design that went into it. Paige is gonna be a tough sell because I don't know exactly how much value she's gonna see in this space because it's really built for the drama.
This is the coolest thing we've ever done.
I think so too.
By a long shot, actually.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, this entire box is cracked. This entire box is
Are you kidding
cracked.
me?
Nope. Ugh. Our tile just arrived. You guys, it's bad. Be extremely careful because we cannot afford to lose anymore. Like, at least 30% of it is broken. Full-on pout session coming. Life goes on.
It literally does not go on when your tile is broken.
It'll go on.
I think there's just enough green tile to get 1 stripe in the shower.
Oh my gosh, this is insane.
The green stripe actually looks really good.
It's a bathroom that they don't let people like us in.
Dreams are made of.
Look at this, babe.
Right?
So awesome.
We spent all the money on pretty tile.
Which looks amazing. I love it so much.
So I had to build everything. The vanity, the nightstand, the paneling in the reading nook, the closet and all the custom shelving. And I'm super proud of it. A lot of upscale detail work.
Yeah.
That's gonna put us over the edge, right? Right?
I hope. There are so many hand-built pieces, custom woodworking in this house that, I mean, this could really add serious value to the house. I have a really crazy idea. It's very risky, I'll tell you that. We have this linen closet. It's just kind of a wasted space. I'm thinking adding in a sauna.
That's pretty
Not
cool.
many people have a sauna in their house. I think it'd be value added.
I'll figure that out.
Okay. I'd love to know what the other teams are doing. We can't see each other's houses till the end of the competition, but I doubt anyone is adding anything like a dry sauna into their bathroom.
If you were to go buy it, you would spend at least $5,000. But since I'm building it, we only have about $700 in cedar planks, and I think it's gonna be a huge value add to this house.
Using our space to accomplish 2 full walk-in closets and then using our money to actually trick them out, that's a really reliable way to add value. Because after years of working with buyers, they may love a space, but if it doesn't have enough storage or closet space, they don't buy it. So we gave them 2 closets and still a really nice bath. We still have to finish some projects, but I gotta treat these antique doors. We gotta paint the ceiling and get the chandelier hung. We used that money we won last week on a programmable shower, essentially.
DTV.
So we got a smart tech going in the shower.
We have like 10 minutes here.
Perfect.
Was this really necessary? Couldn't we just put it up as it was built?
No,
Why?
it's too tall. I am not giving Alison Victoria a single thing to pick out as a flaw.
Be careful with that one. It's a masterpiece. Oh, it looks good.
We're rocking. We made the right decisions.
We got this.
We
man.
got this?
We got this.
No doubt we've got this week.
Zero question.
Week 3 is ours.
Yeah.
Well, it's going well in here. How's my hair? Is it like this? This is how I feel right now.
I love how you just mixed all of the colors in here. They look really nice.
Look at this closet.
Yes.
Oh my.
Wow, well. Okay, we've added some value here. It keeps going.
Oh my God, a washer dryer.
Yes. This was a closet, but it was much smaller. So we added 50 square feet. So we took a little bit of real estate from our back porch, as well as into our hall.
You took exterior space.
Correct.
We did. Smart.
Yes.
Really smart.
Yeah.
This is a dream. The open shelving, the long hang, short hang. It's a huge selling point. It's brilliant.
And then our bathroom.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Yes. And
I have
that's
never been in a 12-foot bathroom.
Love a wet room. You've taken it up 10 notches with your selection of tile, color, and overall style.
She's in heaven right now.
In heaven, in heaven.
I love how you pulled it all together.
Thank you.
I feel like this is $1 million bathroom.
I feel like you hit every single mark. One thing that I would change.
What?
I would bring the sconces down. If that's the only thing I don't like, we're all good.
Then let's get out before you find something. Slate it. Did your kids teach you that word? Yeah, my kid did.
That was good. Okay.
Hello.
Oh! Wow. So there's a lot to take in.
The tones in here are very soothing.
I love that you put the bed on this wall because you don't walk into the bed and your eyes immediately go outside. Gorgeous.
What is this little peek-a-boo?
It's like a cute morning room.
Sit and read in the morning. Yes, with coffee.
It's soft, it's very tranquil.
It's sweet in here.
Now let's go to the bathroom.
Here we go.
Oh.
Beautiful.
What is this? Look at this, Paige.
You guys put a sauna in here?
Yes.
Dave built all of this.
You built the whole thing?
Oh, yeah.
You're so cute. Look at this.
There's the sea glass.
There's the sea glass.
Okay. I love that you added this because once you're in there, it won't seem like you're in a box.
Yeah. You do have this walk-in wardrobe.
Dave built all of this as well.
Oh my God. I will say this, just as somebody who has tons of clothes, this is not a lot of storage for clothing. Closet space is so important for resale.
Enclosed closet space as well.
I love the floor.
Thank you.
Let me say, very spa-like. And you built the vanity.
I did.
This is all custom woodwork right
Yes.
now. I mean, and I don't know that anybody else will be able to say that it's custom woodwork. That means a lot. They're handmade, they will last forever.
That's where people are seeing that value when it comes to resale.
Hello, ladies.
Tranquility.
Any antique doors for me are, you see me beeline it?
Your whole wheelhouse.
Show me and Paige where you added more value.
Come on over here.
we will.
We created a larger closet space with more hanging.
Gorgeous. It's like you're in a boutique. You know I love the integrated lighting more than anything.
Anything on the planet.
I love that you bring the eye up with these beautiful, crisp white cabinets.
They're so pretty.
Gold hardware. This is a ton of value add.
There's so
This
much
is
in here.
the wardrobe.
There's another one? Oh, it looks good.
Welcome to our spa.
Look at this. It looks so good. This is a vanity. Double chandelier.
It is really pretty. The tile is beautiful.
Oh my gosh. The pebbles. Oh.
I love that you continued it into the shower, so it makes it feel larger.
The smart shower is how we spent our winnings from our entry in our living room.
Really smart.
You can program it for as many people as you want.
I wish this shower head was bigger.
If that's the one bad thing that we're saying,
We'll take it.
you're good.
We'll take it.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Look at
Wow.
We really wanted a big feature wall for the bed.
Wow.
Oh, this is unbelievable.
Thank you.
Like, I've never
Wow.
seen anything like that. This
Well,
is a
thank you.
wow factor.
Beautiful. Did you cover up the windows or did you get rid of the windows?
We got rid of the windows.
I'm sad that I don't see the water though.
When you take away windows, especially with that view, that could hurt you. But I love the whole tone. I love the blush to this olive green to the brass. It works.
Thank you.
Very pretty. Talk to us about the space over here.
This is the walk-in closet.
All right.
Oh.
Wow, okay. Well, at least the space is here.
We actually added square footage to the closet.
I like that it feels like a dressing room.
I would come in and redo the whole thing though, because this is a lot of wasted space for a closet system.
You guys definitely did not add value in your built-in. It's a massive selling point.
I love the floors. You guys! Wow, this is sexy. This gorgeous shower. I don't even know how you built it. It's so beautiful. I feel like I'm in a castle.
You know how sexy these curves are? I love arches and I love soft corners. The contrasting brick from the porcelain to the actual brick, the way you laid the tile, the attention to detail with that.
So there's 2 water closets you don't have to share.
So yeah, so those are our value items.
That is smart. That is so smart.
I do not like sharing a
There's
toilet.
some linen cabinet up here.
Yeah, we have additional storage above the toilets.
We have the added value because you did add the extra water closet here.
We haven't seen anything like this.
Nowhere ever in my life, actually. You should be so proud. Congratulations on this. This is the wow factor from all 4 houses.
Yes.
Judges, it's time.
And the winner of this week's main bedroom renovation is... Lindsay and Leslie, the twins!
Congratulations.
I'm so proud of you. Good job, Sissy.
You took this challenge to a whole new level.
You were neck and neck with Mike in Egypt, but that 50 square feet you added in the closet put you over the top.
50 square feet is a lot of square footage.
I want money.
Please tell me, why are you so emotional right now?
It's so much work.
It's really hard.
Our mom always called us winners. We believe her. Thanks, Mom, for always believing in us.